Hey everyone, today we'll be checking out my new power strip. This comes with a great user guide, but we have a lot of options here for charging. We have some USB ports as well as regular power strips and of course a surge protector. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in and check it out. The bottom has a lot of non-slip, non-scratch grips, so wherever we place this, we can be sure it's going to stay there and it won't scratch any surface we place it on. Only a US standard plug can exclusively match the deliberately designed structure of the socket, which is patented by USTPO. This means foreign objects like forks, tweezers, keys, even child's fingers can't get powered through these electric shockproof outlets. The patented design includes heat dissipation to prevent any potential damage or safety hazards, especially when multiple devices are connected simultaneously. Individual switches for each power strip, LED indicators, and energy-saving features are also included. The built-in circuit breaker can automatically shut off when overloaded, preventing any overheat-caused fires. The casing of the outdoor power strip is made of a 1,382 degree Fahrenheit heat-retardant ABS plus PC material. 16 AWG heavy-duty swivel extension cord have reinforced joints to avoid cracks. This IPX6 rated waterproof surge protector can withstand rain, water splashes, and even water flow, but it cannot be completely submerged in water as it is not IPX8 rated. Water flowing into the sockets can do no damage to the protected inner circuit due to the patented design, and it will flow out through the drainage holes on the back. Featuring 8 surge protector outlets, including 6 wide-spaced outlets and 2 extra wide-space outlets, this makes this extension cord a practical design that surpasses narrow and ineffective socket panels.